Hey everyone, today I'm talking about a tiny seed with big benefits, chia seeds. These little guys pack a nutritional punch and are a must-have for anyone focused on health and wellness. First up, omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, which supports heart health and reduces inflammation. Now, while our bodies only convert a small amount of ALA to the more potent EPA and DHA, chia seeds are still a fantastic option, especially for vegetarians and vegans. Next, let's talk fiber. 1 ounce of chia seeds gives you a whopping 11 grams of fiber. This helps with digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps you feeling full longer, which is awesome for weight management. Plus, their gel-forming property slows down carbohydrate absorption, aiding in glycemic control and even helping with acid reflux. In terms of nutrient density, chia seeds offer 4 grams of protein per ounce, including all essential amino acids. They're also loaded with minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are crucial for bone and muscle health. And hey, they're sustainable too. Chia plants need less water and pesticides, making them eco-friendly. Just remember, they often come from far away, so consider the transportation emissions. Chia seeds are super versatile. Toss them in smoothies, make puddings, or use them as an egg substitute in baking. Just be ready for some texture adjustments. But there are some considerations. The omega-3 in chia seeds doesn't convert as efficiently to EPA and DHA as fish oils do, so you might still need a supplement. Also, consuming them dry without enough water can cause digestive blockages, so always stay hydrated and start with small amounts. While chia seeds are calorie-dense, with 138 calories per ounce, portion control is key. And although they provide essential nutrients, balance them with other foods for the best results. Historically, the Aztecs and Myans prized chia seeds for their endurance-boosting properties, and it's easy to see why they're still valued today. So add chia seeds to your diet and enjoy their numerous benefits, but be mindful of how you consume them for maximum health perks. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more health tips.